Alright, let's find the tangent line of this. So the first step would be to derive this. That's good, that's 0. This right here looks like it's inside. So to do that, what you do for ln, the derivative of ln is u prime over u. So u prime is going to be 1 times y plus x times y prime over xy equals, and this is e to the x minus y, e to the x or e to the u is e to the u prime. So it's going to be e to the x minus y, and then the derivative of x minus y, well, the derivative of x is 1, and the derivative of y is y prime. Okay, again, the derivative of this is e to the u prime, e to the u prime. Derivative of this is u prime over u. That's u prime. That's u. Now, do you want to simplify this all down? You could, but can you tell that's a waste of time? Because right now, as is, could I, with this equation, just plug in 1, 1? And then get all these numbers and just get y prime by itself? What I mean by that is this. That's gone. You have 1. What's y? Remember, you have x and y right here. So that's 1 times 1 plus 1 times y prime over 1 times 1. See how easy this is kind of going to work out to be? E to the 1 minus 1 times 1 minus y prime. I just plugged 1 in for all the x's and the y's because x is 1, y is 1. So that looks like we have 1 plus y prime over 1 equals, isn't it e to the u? Sorry, e to the 0. What's anything to the 0? 1. And 1 times that is just 1. That's pretty simple. Makes life a lot easier. Okay, let's get the y primes over. So we're going to add the y prime this way. I'm going to minus this 1 this way. So we have 2y prime equals 0. So that would be y prime is also 0. So my slope is 0. So how do you find the equation? Well, it's going to be y minus what? 1 equals 0 times x minus 1. Which basically my equation becomes y equals 1. If it has a slope of 0, is that a horizontal line? Because this all cancels out and you end up with y equals 1 is my graph. That's the graph. Y equals 1.